Craving a new thrill? Unleash the DJI Avata 2 and Goggles 3. The DJI Avata 2 delivers an insane FPV experience with better imaging, safety, and battery life. Amp up the fun with the DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3. With Real View PiP, you can keep an eye on your surroundings without taking off the goggles. Tilt your head or wrist, and the Avata 2 responds. It's like the drone is an extension of you. Thanks to DJI O4 tech, enjoy ultra-low latency video transmission. Fly comfortably for up to 3 hours with low-pressure padding and an integrated battery. Plus, navigate menus with AR cursor and keep lenses clear with one-tap defogging. Stream your FPV adventure wirelessly with the DJI Fly app. It's compatible with DJI Air 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro, and more. Elevate your flight with DJI Avata 2 and Goggles 3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Click the link below to get yours.